All right, well, Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi started a foot march on the highway between Delhi and Uttar Pradesh as their convoy was stopped on its way to Hathras, where they intended to meet the family of the gang rape victim who died on Tuesday and whose dead-of-night cremation by the UP police has provoked nationwide outrage. Ahead of the Congress leaders' visit, the UP administration enforced a ban on large gatherings. They put up barricades at the border, citing the coronavirus. Let's go across now to NDTV's Akshay Dongre, who's at the Yamuna Expressway, where Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi have been stopped. They continue to march on foot. It's across to you, Akshay. Tell us what's happening around you.
Well, Vishnu, first of all, I would like to tell you that Rahul Gandhi is being arrested is just some police officials have told him under Section 188. He said that he wants to go alone and does not want to violate Section 144. And when he was asking under what sections are you trying to arrest me, then the police officials that are present here have clearly told him that under Section 188, he is being arrested from here, Yamuna Expressway. So that is one of the biggest news that is coming in from the Yamuna Expressway. You can see that Rahul Gandhi, along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, other senior Congress leaders, including Mr. Surjewala, Jitin Prasad, are present there. There is a lot of rush. Hundreds of police officials have been present here, have been deployed here. As you can see, I would like to first show you the deployment of the police. You can see there are hundreds of police officials, including they are carrying tear gas. They are carrying their assault rifles. So this is some massive security deployment that has taken place here. Congress leaders are still not budging. They want to continue their march till Hathras. So this is one of the biggest news that has come up. It will be very interesting to see that what exactly will be the rationale behind Rahul Gandhi being arrested. But the police officials have clearly mentioned here that he will be arrested under Section 188. Will also try to speak to some of the police officials who are present here to understand what exactly is the situation, what is their strategy further moving ahead from here. But before that, we would like to once again show you the visuals here. Sir, can I ask you one thing? Is Rahul Gandhi being arrested here from here?
अभी कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, यहाँ अगर वायलेशन हो रहा है हम अरेस्ट करेंगे.
तो किस सेक्शन के
148
188 के अंतर्गत. तो ये किस बेसिस पर आप अरेस्ट?
144 लागू है
जी. बट उन्होंने कहा है कि वो अकेले जाना चाहते हैं.
अभी तो भीड़ है भैया, अभी तो भीड़ है. यहाँ पर देख रहे हो कितनी भीड़ है. हाँ. हम तो समूह में हैं, उनको समूह में गिरफ्तार कर रहे हैं.
अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं अभी.
बिल्कुल अरेस्ट करेंगे.
So this is what the senior police officials of UP police had to tell us, that Rahul Gandhi is being arrested from here, Yamuna Expressway. These are the visuals that are coming in. Huge rush has there is a huge rush here, including the media personnel, including the police officials, including the congressmen. But it's very, very difficult to understand that moving on from here, what exactly is going to happen, because the Congress workers that are present here will definitely protest if there is an arrest of Rahul Gandhi. And before that, I would like to also show you the traffic that has gathered here on the Yamuna Expressway. Very, very busy road. But now all the traffic has been stopped. Heavy police deployment has been done. Several senior police officials of UP police are also present. So a huge ruckus and chaos has panned out as far as the Yamuna Expressway, less than 40 kilometers away from the national capital, is concerned.
This is big breaking news coming in now. The police threatening to arrest Rahul Gandhi under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. This is disobedience to order duly promulgated by a public servant. That's what they say. Now, just a clarification, has he already been arrested, or is there a threat of arrest if he doesn't go away? What exactly are the police saying?
Well, Vishnu, I would like to clarify on that. Rahul Gandhi is still present here along with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and other senior Congress leaders. So he has not been arrested as of now. He has been told that he is getting arrested. Rahul Gandhi was asking under what section is he being arrested, because he does not want to violate Section 144 that has been imposed. So the police clearly told him, the police officials that were present here, that he is not even though if he is not violating Section 144, he is clearly violating Section 188 under the Pandemic Act. So this clearly is being made the reason behind his arrest. There is, I would like to again show you the huge security deployment. If things go, things go out of control, if the Congress workers start gathering here and they start to protest, but this entire road is empty.
एक सेकंड, किस धारा में आप मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं? मैं अकेला जाना चाहता हूँ.
लाठी चार्ज की भी 188 में हम आपको अभी गिरफ्तार.
ये मुझे बताइए क्या है?
सर मैं बता रहा हूँ सर.
188 समझाइए क्या है?
एनी लॉ
कौन सा लॉ? कौन सा लॉ है? कौन सा लॉ है?
ऐसा जिलाधिकारी हाथरस का हम लोग के पास पत्र है.
नहीं, कौन सा लॉ वायलेट कर रहा हूँ मुझे ये तो बता दो.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की
अरे भाई मुझे एक सेकंड भैया कैमरा लाओ भैया, शांत हो जाओ प्लीज, डिस्टर्ब मत कीजिए प्लीज शांत रहिए, थैंक यू। देखिए आप मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आप मुझे बताइए किस धारा पे आप मुझे अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं
सर?
और वो धारा जो है वो आप प्रेस वालों को समझाइए क्या है एग्जैक्टली।
वो सबको पता है सर,
बताइए।
हमको समझा देंगे,
बताइए।
हमसे बैठ ले लेंगे सर,
बताइए।
उनको हम बता देंगे। हम सभी अभी 188 में आपको
क्या है ये 188?
वायलेशन ऑफ एनी ऑर्डर।
कौन सा ऑर्डर मैंने वायलेट किया?
सर 144 का है।
144 में नहीं हूँ मैं,
पेंडेमिक
140 में मैं अकेला जाना चाह रहा हूँ।
ये देखिए सर, ये क्या हो रहा है सर?
ये आपने किया है, ये आपने क्रिएट किया है ट्रैफिक रोक के।
सर नहीं सर, ये आपके लोग हैं सर। सर मैं आप लोग गिरफ्तार करता हूँ।
आपने एक मिनट देना, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, ये बताइए आपने किसके आदेश पर लाठीचार्ज किया? आपने राहुल जी को मारा है, राहुल जी को मारा है, देश माफ नहीं करेगा आपको। आपने किसके इशारे पर लाठीचार्ज किया है बताइए? जोग लाठी हमारे करके हाथ टूटा है।
ये किसका माइक है? निकालो यार, माइक किसका है? हटा रखा है। अरे यार इधर रहो यार, रोशन इस तरफ से आ जाओ ना, इधर आओ। हेलो, गिरफ्तारी की जो बात कर रहे हैं, 2 लोगों को भी नहीं जाने